Hey folks, what's up? Welcome into the farm. Today we are doing a challenge on weeding. It's the 3rd of July, and who wants to work a lot when it's the 3rd of July? When our founding fathers, when they founded America, they sure weren't relaxing, they weren't sitting around, so that's not what we're gonna be doing. I have a lot of bean rows in front of me, and these 2 rows right here, I'm gonna try to get done in 15 minutes. And that's going to be very hard for me. I'm going to have to put it in beast mode the whole time. So, let's get to it. Just so you all can see that these rows are actually weedy, I'm going to show you this before I get started. It's actually not terrible, but it's still going to be a challenge to get this in 15 minutes. Folks, I'm almost 8 minutes through. I have a feeling that I'm not going to complete this, so I got to kick it into Ultra Beast mode. Folks, I basically already have to
admit defeat. I underestimated the time that it would take me.
At the beginning you think it looks easy, but grass is a pain. I'm just kind of, relaxing. I already failed. So, might as well just relax, right? Nope!
No. We're gonna try to get it done in 20 minutes. Do I really want to put forth all that work? It's a lot of work. It's a lot of effort. Just for a little bit of beans. But sometimes you just gotta weed the hard way,
You can't be so efficient that you never weed. There's always going to be weeds. You're always going to have to weed. It's just how much weeds can you eliminate. And honestly, we did a pretty good job.
But I just want to say one thing. When you think about weeding, you kind of want to think about speed, but you more kind of want to think about the weed. And what do I mean by the weed? I mean, every single time you weed, you want to just be looking for the next weed. For example, when I weed right here, I'll be weeding fast.
I'll be looking ahead and thinking, okay, where's the next weed? Because when you get to patches like this, it's really hard, to see and go fast here. So if you're always thinking about where the next weed is, then you'll be able to go fast.
Just a little tip of the day. Let's get back to work. By the way, you like my hat? I kind of like it. I think it's pretty nice, personally.
Alright, I finished up these 2 rows. Unfortunately, I didn't record. I had to save battery life of my camera, so I'm super hungry, thirsty. Whatever. I'll make up any excuse. But I'm not going inside, I'm going in the shade. It's hot and muggy out, and in Wisconsin, hot and muggy happens a lot, unfortunately. Past 4 days were absolutely gorgeous. It was, 70 degrees. It wasn't muggy at all. And boy, I was enjoying it.
Black raspberries.
All right, folks, that will be all for today.
I will see you whenever I see you next.